What is going on, everybody? Crypto Headquarters here, and today I'm coming at you guys with a video outlining my current thoughts on the cryptocurrency market and why I believe that this is a unique buying opportunity that won't be lasting forever and might be the best buying opportunity that you guys can take advantage of in 2018. With that said, I'm going to start out with a disclaimer that so many of you guys know that says none of the information in this video is investment or financial advice. This is just simply my personal opinion. Please do your own research for investing. Invest at your own risk. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Consult a financial advisor if necessary. This is just educational content that I want to provide for you guys, and I want to inform you guys about current cryptocurrency market trends that may be similar to the market that we're seeing now, and hopefully you guys can understand that and take something away from this video. To be fully transparent with you guys, the two cryptocurrency that I'm going to specifically touch on in this video are NEO and Litecoin, and I am not invested in either of these cryptocurrencies as of making this video. I'm simply just using them for historical reference in terms of market trends. So you guys are going to see that as the video progresses here, but let's jump right into it. As I outlined in the introduction, this video today is going to be me outlining my current thoughts and opinions on the current cryptocurrency market and why, in my personal opinion, though this is not investment or financial advice, this is one of the best buying opportunities you guys might get in 2018. So I'm going to first start out with giving you guys kind of an overall view of the current market as we look at it today. So if we go from the top all the way down to the bottom of the top 100, we're going to see that most cryptocurrencies are up single-digit or double-digit percentages, and there are a lot of green candlesticks within the cryptocurrency market. This is after some bullish news from the United States Senate regarding cryptocurrency regulation. I have a video on that on my channel if you guys are interested in that, but there has been some more optimistic news regarding cryptocurrency coming out lately. So while I know that you guys who have been following cryptocurrency have been subject to hearing a lot of FUD attempts and a lot of fake news being spread around cryptocurrency, I think that at least in the short term, we've kind of gotten ahead of that. We've seen that, all that FUD and all those attempts to bring down and suppress the current price of cryptocurrencies is at least like a week behind us now. Obviously, Tether is, a ticking time bomb for the future. We don't know if that is legitimate or not, and, we're going to find out more as the days progress here and more news comes out regarding the subpoena that was issued within the Tether Corporation. So obviously there is news like that we have yet to see a definitive answer to, but at the end of the day, cryptocurrency markets are looking to recover, and they have been recovering. So, the example that I'm going to give today, the main thing that's been on my mind is that, this current cryptocurrency market, the current dips that we've been experiencing among all cryptocurrencies, can be traced back almost to a very similar situation around this time in August of 2017. So NEO is a great example of this. Well, you guys know that NEO was formerly known as AntShares before the rebranding date, but if we look at the charts over here, we're going to see that NEO was around that $8 mark until in August it got a huge price jump all the way up to $48. Obviously an overextended move, but to see a sell-off period all the way down to $18 and $13 at its low at that time, that's obviously a pretty big sell-off. And if you guys, obviously could, understand that was a huge dip at the time, you would have bought around this $13 to $20 range. And right now, NEO's worth $115. So you guys would have seen the buying opportunity there, not only in the short term, because NEO went from $20 all the way up to $30, $36, and consolidated around there. But then we saw another price jump all the way up to $80 before another sell-off, and then we saw an even bigger one all the way up to its current all-time high at that $160 mark. So as you guys can see, this is a very similar situation to the altcoin market and Bitcoin market around the time of July. Another example of that we can see is Litecoin. If I head over to Litecoin, we're going to see that, in July of 2017, I'm going to get over here, August of 2017, we got a push all the way up at the end of August into September to that $63 range, that $76 range, and that was coming from the $40 range. So obviously alts got a huge pump. You even saw highs of $80 here. I'm going to quickly zoom in on the graph to give you guys a better look at what I'm looking at here. So I went way too far. So if we look here, we're going to see that at the end of August, we saw a pump up to that $82 mark, around double the current consolidation price that we were sticking at for Litecoin. And then again, we saw another sell-off. If you guys noticed the dip and took advantage of the dip, you guys were very happy. You bought at that $50 range, and then we saw, and again, an overextended move all the way up to its all-time high that still stands at $366 before we saw Litecoin dip all the way to its current price, $157. So there are a lot of similarities in the market to this time around August. And you know, just with those two cryptocurrencies alone, you guys can see that as investors in the cryptocurrency market space, if you guys were able to look and see that historically these sell-offs happen, these downtrends in the market happen, these flooding attempts are going to happen from time to time. If you guys can understand that and understand that cryptocurrency is here to stay, while not every cryptocurrency is here to stay, the good ones that you guys believe in and do your own research before investing and that you guys do your due diligence on, those ones will most likely be successful if you believe in them and they have a good team, good project, it checks all the boxes. If they are on a dip, it would be, in my personal opinion, a wise decision to at least research and look into them, look at the historical trends behind them to see, you know, is this a dip that I want to take advantage of? Is it going to go lower? You know, is there something in the future that I'm worried about? Is there's some negative news on the horizon? You know, whatever it may be. I just want you guys to understand that this market dip that we've been seeing might be the best buying opportunity of 2018 for the few reasons that I outlined, that we've even seen this before as of recently in August in terms of cryptocurrency markets, and that if you can understand, you know, as maybe a newbie to the whole cryptocurrency market and, you know, things that have been going on there, or even as a seasoned investor that, you know, has seen these things come and go, you know, especially during August, you guys understand that this dip is something that a lot of people, I think, are going to look back on, and they're going to look at these charts and they're going to say, dang, you know, why didn't I buy X cryptocurrency at Y price, you know, during this January to February price range? And well, a lot of people have been demotivated due to the fact that, you know, they FOMO'd in on their all-time highs. For those of you guys that are looking to do it the right way, not that there's a wrong way at all, but if you guys are looking to do the, you know, buy low, sell high kind of model that so many investors in, you know, whatever market they may be investing in, you know, trade by, now is the perfect time to buy low, in my opinion. You guys can see that just by looking at CoinMarketCap.com. So, well, this is not investment or financial advice, and I'm careful to dodge around that within this video. I do want to talk to you guys and show you guys some similarities that, you know, this is a really bearish market that we're in right now, and if you look at the historical trends in the past, you're going to see that this has not only happened before, but we've rebounded so far from that last time that we saw this similar market setting at the end of August, you know, going into September. So while I am very careful not to outline this as investment or financial advice, I've said that twice now, I do want to let you guys know that, you know, if you guys want to follow the model of buy low, sell high, this is definitely a perfect chance to take advantage of that, in my personal opinion. So I'm just providing this educational video to show you guys the historical trends that we've seen in the past. Please do your own research. Please do your own due diligence before making any investment decision. This is not investment advice or financial advice in any way. This is just me providing educational content for you guys to perhaps inform you guys about cryptocurrency and past market trends. So definitely, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I know this video has been more of me rambling. There wasn't, you know, any kind of set things that I wanted to cover at this point in time. This was just me talking for however long this video is going to end out to be. And I don't know if you guys enjoy this. I'm not sure if you guys like the jump cuts more, where I can just be more concise about it. But, you know, for this video today, I do want to just share with you guys just how optimistic I am in cryptocurrency right now in terms of buying opportunity, and how you guys can potentially take advantage of this as we've seen this in the past. So again, I'm going to quit my rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. You guys' support has been overwhelming. Comment down below if there's any other specific videos you guys want me to make. I'm definitely open to taking this channel in whatever direction the community wants me to take it in. And with that said, I'm going to end off with a disclaimer that says none of the information in this video is investment or financial advice. This is just simply my personal opinion. Please do your own research for investing. Invest at your own risk. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Or consult a financial advisor if necessary. I did realize that I forgot to be transparent in the actual video itself, and that I am not invested into NEO or Litecoin, the two cryptocurrencies that I really talked about in this video. I was just using their graphs as a kind of historical reference to the fact that we've seen this market before in the past. Not that it was similar in the bearish trends and the things that are happening, but we've seen in terms of price action, cryptocurrencies get a huge bump and then obviously with that overextended move go back to prices that are pretty far from their all-time high, and then we see the rebound they made today. So you guys saw that within the video, but I am not invested into Litecoin or NEO. I was just using those to show you guys what we're seeing today. So thank you guys so much for watching the video, and have a great day.